Africa, Naroz Mangal from Afghanistan, and the match referee, Ranjan Madhugale from Sri Lanka. Graham Smith will spin the coin. Tails is the call.
It is tails.
Tails it is. Well, Naroz, you won the toss. What have you decided?
We ball first.
How are you enjoying this experience?
Yeah, a lot running for the tournament. Enjoy the 2020 World Cup.
And what's your side for today's game?
Yeah, one change. Dawlat out. Merwes Ashraf in.
Any reason for bowling first?
Yeah, because I let a bounce. It's good for bowler.
Have a good one today. No.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, Graham, you lost the toss. You're batting first. You don't mind that?
No, we would have batted first. Looked like a nice, good, pacey wicket. So hopefully we can get a good total on the board and then bowl well in the evening.
And what would you do different from the last game against India? I know it's a must-win game for you. You can't afford to take Afghanistan lightly. At the same time, you've got to come out and play hard.
Yeah, look, I think we can raise the level of our game quite a bit from the India game. I think we were a little bit off par in certain disciplines. And I think, but the important thing is getting our basics right and playing at a high intensity out here. It's short format of the game, and you want to make each of those 40 overs count. So hopefully today we can do that.
Think this pitch will suit you?
Yeah, we were here for the warm-up games and there was good bounce in it, so that suits probably our style of play with the bowlers. We've got one or two spin options today, so hopefully we can use them a bit more. But I think now, first up, we'd love to post a good total, batters to play with good intensity, and hopefully play the perfect game. That'd be great, though, right?
And what's your side for today?
We've got the one change from the last game. Charles Langenfeld comes in for Rory Kleinfeld.
Go well, Graham.
Thanks very much.
Well, that's the news from the centre. It's Afghanistan who won the toss, and they've decided to field first.
A big game this for South Africa, having lost their first game. Afghanistan as well will be looking to upset the apple cart. Graham Smith, the South African skipper, at the top of the order where he normally is. He came in at number 3 in their first game. Lords Bosman alongside him. Here's Zadran for the first ball. Oh yes, there you go, that pace and bounce past the outside edge of the left-hander.
That's a great beginning. Great seam position and caught Graham Smith on the walk.
Nicely played. In behind it that time, in a good position, Graham Smith, and he punches it through the offside for 4. Good start for South Africa with a boundary.
Well, the first ball did surprise Graham Smith. This shot would have surprised the bowler because it really was crafted well.
Shot again. It's short. He's in position once again, and he pulls that away comfortably wide of mid-on for 4. So 2 fours in a row. Smith into his groove.
It's important that you don't get carried away by that extra bit of bounce in it. Now this was waiting to be hit, and Graham Smith had summed it up beautifully and very early. The bowler has got to find the right line and channel and the length.
Shot. A little bit of swing, but 2 full, and outside the off stump, Smith able to drive through the offside. So after a promising beginning, South Africa get 12 runs without this.
He was a little wayward also. Pitching the ball up is a good idea, a better one than banging it short to Graham Smith, but your direction has got to be also within the stumps, or maximum on that the 4th stump on the offside.
Off the pad that time. So, oh, that's close. That's very close. That's a very, very close. Hunch says Lords Bosman might be short of his ground. A bit late with the decision to come back for the second and stay on strike.
Shapur was the fielder, and I think Afghanistan could very well have beaten Bosman for that run back into the crease.
Can't quite see it from there, but the bails flick up into the air, and they're a long way up in the air, and Bosman is a very long way short. It's, well, at first you thought close. Like I said, the hunch was he's not made his ground. A travesty, really, if you're Lords Bosman. He'd have felt, oh, here's a pitch where I can play some shots. Not a single delivery has hit his bat. He came off the pad, and much to the delight of Afghanistan, they've got a wicket. They've got Bosman out. Very first ball, run out. It's 13 for 1.
He looked very surprised, but this decision was always on the cards. So this is a bonus that's been earned by Afghanistan. They were all waiting for that throw, which was good. Not entirely over the stumps, but there was somebody there to hit the stumps while the bat was not yet back into the crease. Unfortunate way to go for the opener, but now Afghanistan has to deal with this giant of a player. Jacques Kallis walks in.
In at 3, Jacques Kallis, fantastic player for South Africa in all forms of the game. It's a wonderful record. Just of late has been pretty good. That's an understatement in this format of the game. Fuller that time. Oh, that would be close too. There's Mongol, the fielder. The skipper.
Almost caught napping there. Jacques Kallis decided a little late in the piece that he wanted that single. Slowed in the middle process of the single and then had to dash quickly in to escape that punishment of a run out from the Afghanistan captain.
It's gone quite fine, lots of work for third man to do, can't get there. 4 runs. Decent pace, decent delivery right into the block hole, but Smith able to dig it out.
He's bowled with a lot of pace and fire, and he wants response from the outfielders as well. But he needs to improve his direction. That'll come with time.
It's gone straight up in the air. No, it hasn't. It's gone a long way up in the air, over the keeper and over the road for 6. 31 for 1.
He's got pace, and there's some talent that can be worked with. Left arm, tall, wide that angle, and that Smith there wanted to hit it hard, anywhere. Went for a 6, just tells you about the pace of this bowler.
Shot, very good shot by Jacques Kallis. It's gone all the way for 6 as well. Again down the pitch and to the offside and helping the ball on its way to the leg side.
Such a great shot, that pickup shot. Flick and bit of arms and great piece of timing and a lot of class from Jacques Kallis.
Oh, what a shot. What a shot for 6. Nice way to end the over for Kallis in South Africa. 45 for 1.
Signboards are up. Second 6 of the over. This time a lot more in control and beautifully done. Classical stuff. Over long on for a magnificent 6. And someone drops it. Terrible effort.
Oh, that's a long way up in the air. Should be taking this. Graham Smith undone by the flight. And Mongol, the skipper, takes the catch. Nabi makes the breakthrough for Afghanistan. 2 down, South Africa.
A little early into the shot. On for 27. South Africa 45 for 2. Going against the spin. And he knew straight away that he was in big, big trouble. Nicely judged and held by the captain. Captain gets rid of another captain.
Benjamin de Villiers walks out to the middle, a talented batsman for South Africa.
Quite a bit of turn on that occasion for Nabi. I guess if you've been in one of those refugee camps for a few years, anything's got to be better than that, and this would just be a joy to be out on the cricket field.
Oh, he's going to let that go. No, he pulls it back in. Nearby is Ashraf, field in the deep. Yes, eventually there's a lot of emotion and drama and great stories associated with Afghanistan's appearance here. Oh, that's a big one. He got into fantastic position, hit that really big. In fact, I think it's gone and hit the glass on the press box.
Yeah, it was coming our way. I thought it was one for you for a moment there, Hashid.
Just wonder if it was an outside edge that went down. The commentary box, Sanjay Manjrekar and Ravi Shastri. Well, it seemed like it from the reaction, and there was a healthy outside edge there. Ball changing directions. And what does the batsman do? Goes down the pitch and picks up a boundary on the leg side. So harsh on the bowler.
Yes, it's a good opportunity for AB de Villiers to get some runs under the belt, get some form going. I believe he's a key player in this South African outfit. Plenty of overs remaining as well.
Spin doing the trick here for Afghanistan. Able to keep the batsman reasonably quiet. Gone! Stumped. No need for the third umpire on this occasion. The captain strikes. Again charging down the pitch, but just missing the line there. AB de Villiers, that's a good wicket for Afghanistan. South Africa 77 for 3.
Yes, chancing his arm once too often. Deceived in the flight. Didn't quite get to the pitch of the ball as we crossed the line after that. Beaten altogether. Simple stumping chance. So Afghanistan pick up another wicket.
New man is JP Duminy. Hasn't been in the greatest form of late, but such a talented left-hand batsman. Good player of spin too. Big shout, but caught behind. Jacques Callis walks, the umpire raises the finger. And Afghanistan have got another wicket.
Well, time for celebrations. But that was a big sound. Callis will be disappointed. He's got a start here. 34 from 33, 84 for 4.
Batsman never likes it when he gets out of this fashion. It's nothing delivery really. Delivery that would have been wide. Looking to run it down. Leg side. Worst way to get out. Good start for Hamid Hassan. It's a wicket of the first ball of the spell. Mark Boucher is the new man in. Team lose wickets the first 10-15 overs today. Hamid Hassan will continue, and there it is. This should be close. Simon Toffel has no problems. Raises the finger. Mark Boucher walks back, and this guy is impressive. Hamid Hassan is straight, is quick.
He is sharp. He is sharp. He's broad in the shoulders, a lot of effort in the delivery stride. He surprised Boucher for 4, 90 for 5. Well, very good delivery. I think he's beaten for pace here. Caught in front of his stumps. He is sharp, especially when he gets the ball up. Simon Toffel having no hesitation in lifting the finger. There's something to cheer here for the Afghanistan supporters.
Albie Mokel, very talented player. Albie Mokel gets some runs here, using the pace of the bowler. Smart thing to do. Now be the fielder, he comes back for the third.
He's got into good position there, JP Duminy. Another man who needs some runs.
Oh, yes, when he hits it, it stays hit. 6 runs.
105 sixes now in the tournament. That sign they just held up said surprise package, meaning Afghanistan. And they certainly have been that. They've played some very good cricket. That was an excellent shot. Albie knew where it was gone.
An ideal time for him, this, and South Africa would like that he's in. Because he's a finisher. Short and put away for 4. Very well played. A long way in front of square.
That was well hit. Timing was immaculate. You can see he's standing a long way back in the crease.
Festive atmosphere continues around the Kensington Oval. Spectators having a lovely time. Catches the call, oh, just short. Noor Ali judged it a early and decided he wasn't going to get to it, so he stopped it from going over the rope.
Yeah, I think it was pretty good judgment. He was charging in Nur Ali, and he realised he wasn't going to get there.
It's a really good shot. Oh, Albi Morkel's playing well here. He's got another boundary. Into the 17th, 116 for 5.
I'm not surprised that the bowler can't believe it, because that was pretty good delivery. He was probably only a few centimetres off the perfect Yorker, and Albi Morkel's hit it like an absolute rocket. Hello, we're getting arty now.
JP Duminy now joining in the act. That's a fantastic shot for 6. Straight back over the bowler's head.
He's a great mixture as a player, JP Duminy.
Gone for the big hit. Long off coming in. Is he going to get it? No, he's not, because it's gone for 6. A miss hit for 6 from Duminy. Good work. Just 2 overs left now. 132 for 5.
Well, that was amazing. Mid-off came in a long way at first, thinking, and I think quite rightly thinking, that it was a miss hit. Part of fielding in the outfield noise is part of that. You hear the ball on the bat, and you can tell the difference between one that's hit in the middle and a miss hit. And obviously he heard miss hit and started coming in, and it still cleared the road.
You're right, Chappelli. We are getting arty. Strike, but it's straight to the man. A very good catch that. It went like a rocket. And that was Mongol, the skipper, makes absolutely no mistake. Duminy gone. Shakes his head as he goes off. He's gone for 25. Some wonderful hits from him. South Africa 133 for 6.
Well, that's how it goes when you're struggling. It's a very good shot. Timed it beautifully. Hit like a rocket. Well taken, because you could see the ball just curving away from him. Nawaz did well to hang on to that. Duminy can't believe it. He knows he got it in the screws. The new batsman, Roller Londemerva.
It's got a long, long way up in the air. The skipper under it. Should take it at a second attempt. He does. Good work. Oh, is he happy or what? Morkel looking for another big hit, just manages to hit it straight up in the air. He's gone for 23 off 17. It's 137 for 7.
Pretty good catch in the end, because it went a mile up in the air. Nawaz, the skipper, getting under it. Must have hit a brick in the middle of his hand. It bounced up a long way, but he kept his eyes on it and did well. In fact, Afghanistan have done well. When you look at it, they've got 7 wickets, and they're going to keep South Africa to around about the same total that Bangladesh kept Australia. Bangladesh have been playing a lot longer than Afghanistan.
2 deliveries to go. Dale Steyn is the man who's come to the wicket. He'll play a couple of shots. There's one of them. 2 should be the call. No, he's not going back. Wisely sent back by Van der Merwe. Oh, that's gone a long, long way up in the air. Not a whole lot of give. Merwe gets bats on ball. They'll be looking for a second. There isn't a second available. I think he makes his ground. Dale Steyn, and quickly rushes off the field. 139 for 7 off their 20 overs, South Africa. One thing they will feel is that they should have got more runs. They will also feel that they have to bowl well and ensure a victory. It's not going to be easy pickings, just run up and the game done, because that's not an amount of runs that makes you feel safe. Afghanistan can be well pleased with the way that they have gone.
Before, so I didn't see it also. I don't know how much is my speed, but I'm always trying my best to do my best for the team, for my country. That's all.
Dude, what is the mindset of a team like Afghanistan who's new to the stage when you play against established stars like like today against South Africa. What's your mindset going into the game?
Of course,
They need to go at 7 runs per over. And the crowd that has turned up here today would have been impressed with the way Afghanistan handled themselves in the field. It looked as if South Africa would get a big score at one stage, but they pulled things back nicely. Some good bowling and good catching. So out come the two openers, Noor Ali and Karim Sadiq.
If they win this, Afghanistan could be the lead story right around the world.
So there you go. Dale Steyn will start the proceedings for South Africa, and this will be a test for the Afghanistan batsmen. We've seen pace bounce on this pitch. He's the number 1 fast bowler in the world, and you can be rest assured he'll steam in. These are conditions that fast bowlers like Karim Sadiq will open the batting along with Noor Ali.
He gave a good account of himself in the last match, got a 50 odd, and was pretty sensible in going about the job. This should be a great experience for the Afghanistan team. They're up against a quality bowling lineup, but also target is achievable.
That's pace. Straight away on target, getting some movement as well. You can see his eyes would have lit up there. He wouldn't have seen anything as fast as this. But it's an experience.
A wry smile from the batsman, no loosener from the bowler. He means business. Dale Steyn has got pace and swing to get rid of the best in the business. Once again beaten, in fact taken. Outside edge, gone. This was on the cards. Terrific start from Dale Steyn. Noor Ali had no clue what was happening out there. Great bit of swing bowling.
So there he goes, Noor Ali. Goes for no score. And Afghanistan 1 for 1. Well, this is how he went. No movement whatsoever. In fact, 3 balls he played. His feet were anchored to the crease. This occasion, getting the outside edge. He knew he'd nicked it. It seemed he was in a hurry to go off the field as well. It's 1 for 1. Mohammad Shahzad comes out to the middle. Three balls to go in this over. And another one. Big appeal. Steyn can't believe it. Not out, says the umpire. 3 for 1.
Let's have a listen. Certainly some noise there. Boucher and company were absolutely delighted with the outcome of this. Yes, certainly an edge. Simon Toffel missed it, Boucher didn't.
That's out. Kick outside edge. This time he walks. So another batsman goes edging to the keeper.
He'd be kicking himself because he made adjustment to get nearer the ball and he's edged it to the keeper's glove. He was fine missing the ball by staying where he was. I think made a mistake there, certainly. Gone for 2. It's 5 for 2. I think he changed his guard. There you see him on that off stump and he had to play at that one. Earlier he was missing everything that was pitched in that area. Opening the face of the blade, not a good idea. Lovely piece of attacking cricket from Dale Steyn. He is some bowler. Fans are disappointed. They wanted more from the top tier.
So the captain, Navroz Mangal, comes out to the middle. 5 for 2. Still 2 slips in place. Edge taken. Callis doesn't miss many. So another batsman getting the outside edge. This time it's not Boucher, it's the first slip who comes into play. Afghanistan in disarray at the moment. 7 for 3. Mangal dismissed.
Well, South Africa should enjoy this pitch for catching, not only for bowling. This game at just about perfect height for Jack Callis, who made no mistake whatsoever. He's standing deep. That allowed allowed him extra bit of time to sight the ball. Nicely held with two hands. Afghanistan in great problems out there. He gets a wicket of his first ball of a brand new spell. Asghar Stanakzai is the new man in.
That's in the air taken. The finger has gone up. He was looking to back away, the ball followed him. This is just too much for the Afghanistan batsman at the moment. Karim Sadiq gone to 8 for 4.
It is not looking good. Wicket stumbling. The extra bit of bounce and pace is enough for to dislodge the Afghanistan top order. Had no idea whatsoever. On a Mokal getting extra bit of life and lift. AB de Villiers with a fairly easy job in the end. 8 for 4.
Well, that's an aggressive start. The new batsman out there.
Sliced it hard, over point. No one there. Easy boundary. It's not going to be easy for Afghanistan to tackle this. There's pace and bounce and swing and 4 wickets down.
Boucher running back, takes it easily. Number 5 goes down. 12 for 5 after 4 overs. Ahmad's the last man to go.
This is happening very fast. Only 12 runs on the board, 5 wickets down. He had no idea. Trying to hide away from the ball, and a very good catch by Mark Boucher. He had to run backwards, which he did. Rolling over to make sure that he grabbed the ball in the end.
So Mohammad Nabi comes out to the middle, 12 for 5 in just 4 overs. No respite, it's still staying. Ooh, that didn't miss the off stump by much. That'll wake him up.
Tried a few shots, tried level best to counter this. Boucher with a very good catch. Pushed himself back to catch that one. Dugout is not a happy picture. And another one goes. They just cannot handle the bounce, the poor Afghan batsmen. They haven't seen anything like this before. Bounce and pace. And Morne Morkel has now got 4 for 5. I'm afraid that's the end of Mohammad Nabi without scoring. It's 14 for 6, Afghanistan.
Absolutely outstanding stuff.
That's what you meant, did you, Bobby, when you said absolutely outstanding?
The bounce has been fantastic, but more than that, when you've got a pitch that will bounce and is quick, you've got to be on point as far as direction, lines and lengths are concerned. Morne Morkel, brilliant.
It's a bit of a pity actually, because I thought Afghanistan were excellent in the field with the ball. Samyullah Shinwari was very impressive with his leg breaks. I think the problem is not as much that they can't bat, it is that they haven't seen this kind of pace and bounce before. They've run into this track here at the Kensington Oval, which is helping the bounce. It's got quite a bit in it. Staying 3 overs, 2 for 6. Morne Morkel has bowled 7 balls and picked up 4 wickets.
It was a terrible no ball that he bowled in South Africa's first game, because Suresh Raina was the man that lobbed the ball to long off and then went on to get 100. The innings that beat South Africa, really. The free hit.
What are they going to do with this free hit? I think he was sigh of relief. Oh well, he's hit that hard and long. What a shot! Celebrate that, all you fans in Afghanistan, because that has been smashed over long on for 6. Who is this Morne Morkel, he's saying? Wow.
away. He was always going to swing. The expectation was that it would be a delivery back of a length, because back of a length has been the most difficult for the Afghanistan batsman. He was ready for it. Made the room to swing and made contact as well.
Good shot. Well, a shot that was out of boundary. Not a single. You can see why Warren Morkel would be a far greater threat than Shah Langerfeld. Because it's the steeping bounce that Morkel gets, which is very uncomfortable. Something they would have seen before at that pace. Langerfeld is more classical to the swing bowler's line. Not very bouncy. Well, I'm afraid another one's going to go. I was just talking about the bounce being a problem. Well, Langerfeld decided I'm going to try the bouncer as well. And straight away, picks up a wicket.
When he wants to. Shah Langerfeld can get the pace up there as well. And perhaps batsman just thinking it's all predictable. Done by the short one. 25 for 7. That's a sorry scorecard for Afghanistan. And he wanted to pull out of the shot because he felt it's over my head and I may get a wide for it, but had gone too far into it to get out of the way. And a simple catch in the end for Dale Steyn, a wicket for Shah Langerfeld.
She's merciless from South Africa. It's been by Ashraf comes in.
Oh, going to hurry. Oh, that's gone. That's gone. A.B. de Villiers coming in very quickly from the gully and making sure he hits the target as well. So 8 down now, Afghanistan. Many have been bounced out. Now a run out. Janwari got for 11. It's 32 for 8.
He's a magnificent fielder, A.B. de Villiers, and he's just shown us why. This is probably among the easier run-outs he's had to deliver. From there is very, very good. I think it's easy to try doing it yourself, actually. It just shows that he's probably practiced it a great deal. The ball goes to A.B. de Villiers, and you just assume from that angle he's going to hit it. In at number 10, Hamid Hassan, 1 ball to go. In the 8th over, lowest score in a T20 international so far is 67. What a shot! Welcome, Albie Morkel.
Albie Morkel has turned up and heard full rather than short. On a pitch that's bouncing a lot. He wants to start off by pulling the length back. It's in the slot. They've not seen anything and recognised it on the front foot, and that's the first they've seen.
Struck that quite nicely. All 3 boundaries that we've seen, a couple of sixes, and this boundary have all gone in that same direction, straight down the pitch.
It was pretty well hit. For a moment, mid-on thought he had a chance of taking a catch. But it was middle.
Oh, that's gone really very, very high. In fact, it's gone a long distance as well. In fact, gone out of the complex. What a shot. And out of the blue. 12 is gone. It's 56 for 8.
That's what you do with short pitch bowling. That's well back into the Sobers pavilion. And the batsman knew it and enjoyed it. And Graham Smith knew it as well.
This is going to be another 6. Yeah. Ashraf, the new star here for Afghanistan. With 2 massive 6s. Boundary, 22 of 21 balls.
Tell you what, he's got a good piece of willow. I don't know where he's got it from.
Bowling. It's all over for Ashraf. I tell you what, he's going to get some real ovation from the locals. Got something to cheer about tonight here at the Kensington Oval. Ashraf gone for 23 of 25 balls. Afghanistan 65 for 9.
Some impressive hitting there from Ashraf. He was actually selected ahead of Galwa because of his batting. And he confirmed that selection was a good one. Very accurate bowler. It's one of the reasons why he's been included in this squad. His ability to bowl at the end of the innings. He was spot on. Shapur coming in at number 11.
Yeah, he's the left-arm fast bowler. Afghanistan bats left-handed as well. Great shot. And easily done. And these guys are in the way they hit the cricket ball. This time it's Hamid Hassan. Six. Comfortably clearing the boundary by a good 7-8 meters there. It took any height at all. Terrific shot. This has gone over the wicketkeeper's head. No chance for the fine leg fielder. The 4 more.
He's not the most elegant batsman, Hamid Hassan.